Pierre, you gave us some good examples earlier of AM in action. Could you give us some more? I mean, earlier today, just in fact, I had a conversation with somebody who described whole houses potentially being, leveled up from additive manufacturing. So, can you give us some examples of that in action?
So there are some industries that are very successful by implementing additive manufacturing. One of them being the medical industry. They saw basically some of the big benefits of additive manufacturing, especially the customization and the design freedom that you have in additive. So typically implants like hip joints or lattice structures can be made with additive in a way that it fits exactly to the design of the patient. And then in the manufacturing process, you have what we call a build platform, and you can place all the different implants, each with a different design for a different patient, and print them over a night or a day and a half, and then send those parts to different hospitals. It's the same for inlays and this kind of parts. Other industries that are very successful in additive has been in the past, I would say, the civil aircraft. There's been a slowing down with the COVID crisis. The number of parts printed in this area has been slowing down. But the space industry is being extremely successful. The SpaceX, the Blue Origin, found in additive a way to innovate much faster than they were able to do in the past. And in that area, they've been able to develop faster than companies that have been more established and using conventional technologies. Racing is also an area where additive has been proven to be the technology of choice. So if you think about Formula One or other racing industries, they are using massively additive because they can change design between two races and use this advantage. Finally, I think quite interesting would be to see how the automotive industry will use additive manufacturing. Not far away from here, we have the AM Center from BMW. They've been doing additive manufacturing for 30 years, very successfully, a lot for rapid prototyping and customization. But I think in the near future, we see that some new technology, especially binder jetting, will enable that additive manufacturing rolls out in the automotive industry, where the number of parts is much bigger than in the aerospace industry, and where the cost needs to be optimized. So several industries that are very successful today, and other industries that will use more and more additive in the near future.